Hello everyone, I'm Tasmaiya Tamboli, and in this video I will walk you through my lab project implementing Azure Web Application Firewall in front of HAProxy load balancer and two backend VMs. Let's dive into the architecture, implementation, testing and key finding of this. First, I have configured the three VMs. One is the HAProxy and other is the two VMs which acting as a backend web applications. So first here we will having the overall infrastructure setup which I have done in East US region. It consists of the WFA-enabled Azure Firewall Gateway and HAProxy load balancer and two backend VMs running with the Nginx web servers. Also, I have implemented NSG network security groups and subnet for isolate and provide access control. Uh, Here you can see the proper resource configurations in resource visualizer. We can see I have configured the front end two backend VMs, VM1 and VM2. Also, I have enabled the WAF labs log analysis to get the log of the WFA. We can see WFA is provides the set of rules to provide the additional layer of security into the cloud infrastructure. These are the network details which are configured into the setup. I've used two public IP, one for the HAProxy and other are the three private IPs to provide the securities. And these infrastructure code I have provided into the report to configure the VM in details. I have provided the set of AMA which I used. Let's proceed with the details which I have configured here. Here I have configured the backend VM2, VM1 and VM2 without public IP. I installed the Nginx and configured each server to return a unique welcome message. Here we can get those message. Backend VM1 and backend VM2. I'm trying to access the HAProxy to for the testing purpose. It distributing the load between VM1 and VM2. And then I have configured the HAProxy server. For HAProxy, we can get the configuration details into cat /etc HAProxy SF CFG. These are configured with the round robin algorithm. It distributes the load with this algorithm, and it uses the one public IP. And then next we have the WASP policy enabled policy one I have implemented. By default, it provides the by the Azure. Even we can implement the custom rules for the SQL. The WAF policy and the HAProxy rules are the provide the additional layer. WAF policy block the malicious pattern while HAProxy only accept the request from the trusted subnet. This layered approach enhances the security significance. Testing methodology. I have tested and simulated with few attacks like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and directory traversals. So the key finding of this, the WAF blocked the all malicious traffic as expected. When as a findings, 47 SQL injection attempts blocked and 32 as a XSS attacks are blocked. 15 directory traversals are blocked. We can see 2.3% of false positive needed for the tuning. I have prepared the details into the reports which I got from this lab. Here we can get the 2.3% finding need to be fine tuned. Yeah, of course, the Additionally we need to fine tune these sensitive rules like SQL injection detection and Azure. We can have the Azure Sentinel for the better monitoring and the alerting, and also we can have the admin routes rule sets. But this lab provide us the prevention of WASP top 10 threats which required to recommended to secure web application. Let's have some testing here. Uh, if we pass this SQL injection query, it will use the 403 forbidden. Even we can test from the console. This will throw the forbidden 403. So that's the rule set which I have implemented. The detail of this setup I have provided into my report, how I configured this lab. To wrap up, this lab demonstrates how combining WFA, HAProxy, NSG create a strong web application security framework. I hope this helps to understand the power of the layered security in the cloud. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.